Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can backup contacts in VIVO. So firstly, you will need to find and open the Contacts app on your phone. Then go into its settings. And over here, go for the Google Contact Sync settings. Now, if you would like to automatically backup all your contacts, go for this page and turn on the automatically sync toggle. If you would like to also synchronize and backup your device contacts, you can also turn on this toggle as well and choose the Google account it will be saved or backed up to. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.